Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Hey, I'm at the beginning of my 2025 crypto bull run road trip. I'm in the heartland of America, and I just had the most interesting conversation with a young man for about 15 or 20 minutes that he didn't want to be interviewed, but he gave me permission to share his story. And really interesting young man. He was a financial advisor for 6 years, and he specialized, if I understood him correctly, because I gave him my YouTube channel name, he specialized in many things, but specifically as a financial person, retirement planning, and we talked about the dollar and the dollar collapsing. We talked about BRICS, and he wasn't worried about BRICS, quote unquote, succeeding, because I didn't know BRICS has been around for a while. He said maybe 20 years. That was news to me. I got to do some more research on that, but he was interesting in the fact that he was a financial advisor, a financial employee at this larger company, and started learning about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency about 10 years ago. And he said that he thinks, in his opinion, that Bitcoin has the best chance long term of succeeding, which I wholeheartedly agree on. The first exchange that he joined was Binance, but now US residents cannot sign on to Binance because of country restrictions. And he doesn't invest in ICOs or meme coins, but he was fascinated, I think, that I was asking him questions about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and the economy and the dollar. Hey, before I forget, here come the police. Huge shout out to the XDC network for their loyalty to me, their friendship, and their support that they're giving me on this 2025 crypto bull run road trip. All the pertinent information on the XDC network is going to be below, but I want to salute my new friend. The first initial of his first name is the letter J. I want to give a shout out to Jay for letting me, this little guy, share his part of his story. I got his phone number. We're going to start a phone conversation when I get back home. But yeah, it's that easy. Crypto conversations. I want to not so much educate people, but raise an awareness on this cryptocurrency 2025 crypto bull run road trip, that cryptocurrency is here to stay, whether you invest in it or whether you don't invest in it. And I'm going to close with this. I really related to Jay in the sense that he said, I have no one to talk to about cryptocurrency. I said, well, now you've got me. You've got a new friend, Crypto Mentor 99. And if I heard him correctly, he said that my parents, when I visit my parents' house, they don't even like when I talk about it. So, Jay, I appreciate you, brother, from the bottom of my heart. And we will definitely talk on the phone here in the not so distant future. But that's it, guys. On to the next city, on to the next college, on to the next university. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. If you're on Twitter, share this video. If you're on YouTube, share this video. And that's it. Love y'all. Bye-bye.